Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update on the pop-up camper roof. We pretty much had to rebuild the entire thing. It's got all new wood. It's got cedar for all that, so that won't rot. Got all the metal bracing back in. Got our foam in there, that's all glued down. We made these sides. I used 1x pine and used some trim coil stock, aluminum trim coil, and spray adhesived it to that and cut it out. So it's kind of like factory. And we beefed up the front here with new plywood and bigger brackets. And the ones, let me grab one of these brackets. This tiny ass little bracket on all four corners is all that held this freaking roof up. You know, held it together basically. Just that little flimsy aluminum. So it's not going to move now. Built better than what they had. So now all we got to do is we got all the paneling for the ceiling all cut, and we got it drilled out for the wires for the holes. And that should be about a wrap for this. We just got to flip it over, put some more trim and crap on it. But I'll get you some more videos as soon as we get to another part here. All right, guys. Well, we got it flipped back over. We got all the foam glued down, and I mean, she's solid now. We got the foam glued down and the paneling glued down and nailed down. Let me climb underneath here. I won't claim to be a builder because I'm not. But neither were the people that made this damn thing, because they were staplers is what they were. That's what their profession is, stapler. This has no staples in it. And that's our new ceiling there. The front and back get covered by the canvas, so that doesn't get painted or anything. The side walls we're gonna put some 1/4 round, 3/8 quarter round along the top there, just to seal in little cracks where the paneling is. But yeah, that's it. Looks pretty good. It's pretty heavy, but not as heavy as it was with waterlogged foam. We just gotta get the bottom trims on and the corner trims. And the fan back in there, and then the fun part of hoisting it back up onto the damn camper. Lighting's installed. I made sure the fan wires worked, and I also took apart the fan and made sure that worked because it wasn't working. So the fan works now. Alright guys, well, we got the roof on. I just got a couple of the latches where they, those latches right there. I got to put the tops of them on after we close it back up, so I know where they go. But yeah, looks good. It's nice and sturdy, that's for sure. Lights all work. Gotta get 1/4 round to go along this whole edge there and stain that, and then we'll finish it off. And then I gotta run these wires over to this little channel, and then that's the roof. Looks pretty good. So hopefully they'll be able to take this out and go camping with their family. Anyways, if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.